You won't believe number 1. Comment your guess before we reveal number 1. 5. Bird in supermarket stealing 2 food items but dropping 1.
Run.
4. Bird stealing food successfully in another setting. Now, watch till the end to see if your guess is number 1. 3. Bird stealing money from a guy's pocket.
So nice.
2. Bird carrying money to a house after getting it from somewhere outside. Where did it get that? 1. Bird stealing a wallet clean out of sight. Was your guess right? If you enjoyed the ranking, like and subscribe for more wild bird challenges.